some basic responsibility and knowledge that goes into owning a pool. So today I'm here at a home with Rocky from Payan Pool Service, learning all about what the basic requirements for a homeowner is to know about their pool. What would you tell me if I, bought a home that had a pool? How do I get started?
Well, the main thing about what we like to provide for people is that the service that we offer, it allows people to not have to do that much. We want to be able to give them the opportunity to swim in their pool and not really have to do much. The idea is for us to do all the water balance, to do the water chemistry, to clean the pool, to brush the walls down, and just provide a service that allows a worry-free environment. We want our clients to just be able to use their pool when they want to and not have to do too much. So that's part of what we do is a consistent weekly maintenance by us. Typically a 30-minute maintenance is really all it takes, and so that our customers can do what they need to do and just enjoy the pool as they need to.
So really all I need to get started with owning a pool is to have a phone number for Payan Pool Service and give you guys a call, and you'll take care of all of the maintenance, and it's worry-free because you're on such a reliable schedule. That's my favorite thing about Payan Pool Service is the professionalism, where the schedule is we are there every week and you guys get to know the pool. You actually have been to this pool many times, right?
Absolutely, yeah. The consistency is important to our clients. We found that out. We like being on a regular schedule. It's the same day every week, same time usually, and they're on a tight schedule. But I usually do a lot of the water balance up front so that we just kind of hand it off to the service department, so it's a regular weekly thing for them, and that way the clients can enjoy it as they will.
And do you find that that's a better way just to do business? Because it makes sense to have the same technician coming to the same pool. They are familiar with the water chemistry, they're familiar with the home, they're familiar with what previous problems may have existed.
Absolutely. I think that again, the consistency of knowing who's in your backyard, and that person's always going to be there at a certain time, and they know what we're going to be doing, and really all they need to do is just enjoy their pool, and that's what we want them to do.
Run me through just a quick synopsis of what happens when the technicians come out to do the cleaning.
It's a pretty routine thing. Pretty much it's a water balance test for water balance and water sanitation, chlorine and pH, things like that. And then we're going to be always vacuuming the pool. If it has a spa, we vacuum the spa. We brush the walls down, do some tile soap and brushing at the top of the water line, and net everything off the top of the pool. So that basically, when we leave, we want to see a clean, sparkling, beautiful pool.
Of course, and that's really all the homeowner is going to want to see, and that's all they have to worry about, because once you're in the care of Payan Pool Service, you know that your pool is going to be sparkling clean all year long because of regular maintenance when they come out to take care of your pool each week. Get started with them at ApprovedHomePros.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.